Ever wondered why, when you push against a wall, it pushes back? Welcome to the fascinating world of Newton's third law of motion. Picture this: a skateboarder propelling forward by pushing off against the ground. Here, the action is the skateboarder pushing the ground backwards, and the reaction is the ground pushing the skateboarder forwards. This is a simple yet effective demonstration of Newton's third law of motion in action. Sir Isaac Newton, one of the most influential scientists of all time, formulated 3 laws of motion that have been fundamental to our understanding of physics for over 3 centuries. Today, we delve into the third law. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that any force exerted on a body will create a force of equal magnitude but in the opposite direction on the object that exerted the first force. For instance, when you sit on a chair, your body exerts a downward force due to gravity. In response, the chair exerts an equal upward force, which is why you don't fall through. This interplay of forces is happening all around us, all the time. Take the example of a rocket launching into space. The rocket's engines push gas out downwards, and in turn, the gas pushes the rocket upwards. This action-reaction force pair is what propels the rocket into space. But remember, it's not just about physical objects. This law applies to all forces in nature. Even in the world of electromagnetism, the same principles apply. For instance, the force that the Earth exerts on a magnet is equal and opposite to the force that the magnet exerts on the Earth. In a nutshell, Newton's third law of motion helps us understand the fundamental nature of forces and their interactions. It's a reminder that nothing exists in isolation. Every action interacts with the world around it, causing a reaction. So the next time you find yourself pushing a heavy object, remember, it's not just you doing all the work. The object is pushing back with equal force. You're engaged in a physical dialogue with the universe, a testament to the enduring genius of Sir Isaac Newton and his third law of motion. Understanding the laws of motion enriches our understanding of the world and the universe at large. It's the fundamental pillar that supports the magnificent edifice of physics, underpinning everything from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. As we wrap up, ponder over this fascinating law. See how it plays out in your everyday life, from the bouncing of a basketball to the flight of a bird. Newton's third law of motion, a simple statement with profound implications, reminding us that in this universe, every action truly does have an equal and opposite reaction.